Stop pressing your iPhone side button. You can lock your iPhone with just one tap on your home screen. Have you ever wished you could lock your iPhone without using the side button? Let me show you a super simple shortcut that lets you lock your iPhone instantly with one tap. First, open the Shortcuts app. Now tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Next, tap on Search Actions and type Lock Screen. When you see it, tap on it to add it to your shortcut. Now tap the small arrow at the top of the screen. From here, you can rename your shortcut and choose a custom icon. After that, tap on Add to Home Screen. Here, you can change the icon color, pick a symbol, or even add a custom image. Once you're done, tap Add. Now the shortcut appears on your home screen. Just tap it and your iPhone locks instantly. No side button needed. And here's the best part, you can move this shortcut to your dock, so it's available on every home screen page. One tap and your iPhone locks immediately. This is super useful if your side button is broken, hard to reach, or if you just want a faster way to lock your iPhone. Try this shortcut and make your iPhone even easier to use. Follow for more hidden iPhone tips.